Unit 10.
Track 65. What shapes the character of youth leaders in the 21st century? What makes young people become their followers? Listen to the recording and find out who the speakers admire as their heroes and why. Speaker 1. The person I admire is one of the most talented film and theatre actresses working in Russia today. She has a beautiful name that sounds like the name of a flower, Chulpan. But her name is known far beyond theatre or cinema circles because Chulpan Khamatova helped to found Grant Life, a special foundation to help children with cancer and other life-threatening illnesses. Chulpan is a charismatic leader who has attracted many followers and supporters. She calls them true quiet knights. They come from different walks of life. Some are doctors and psychologists, others are just ordinary people. There are also 250 volunteers, young people who come to be with the children, play with them and cheer them up. Chulpan's life seems to be dominated by this noble idea of serving young children in need. She puts on performances attended by doctors and bankers. Friends and colleagues know about the foundation and suggest ideas. I think we're very lucky to have Chulpan. Speaker 2.
When you look at him wearing a gold chain and baseball cap, Derek Tabb doesn't look the part of a typical music teacher. But he has transformed New Orleans children from troublemakers to tuba players. I think he impressed me with his willingness to help, his readiness to share, and his incredible generosity. Derek's program, called The Roots of Music, is completely free of charge. It offers free tutoring, instruments and music education to more than 100 kids. Every weekday evening in the French Quarter, he beats out the rhythm on his music stand as students play their chosen instruments. In doing so, he gives them an alternative to New Orleans' rough streets. What he does is competing with drug dealers. CNN voted him Hero of the Year.
Speaker 3. I'm a fan of Jamie Oliver. This young enthusiast has unexpectedly become a real phenomenon in the world of food. He is undoubtedly one of the world's best-loved television personalities. He started as a food programme presenter and had huge success on the BBC. Jamie's Kitchen, Jamie's School Dinners, Return to School Dinners, Jamie's Chef, Jamie at Home, Jamie's Ministry of Food and so on have become extremely popular and made him leader of the food revolution. Jamie has inspired me to spend more time enjoying being in the kitchen. You know, his programmes have now been broadcast in over 100 countries, including the USA, Australia, South Africa, Brazil, Japan and Iceland. What's more, the programmes have been translated into over 30 languages, and of course the accompanying cookbooks are bestsellers worldwide, not only in the UK. Recently I bought Jamie's 30-Minute Meals book. It's his first million-selling book in the UK and it sells like hotcakes. Speaker 4.
You know, swimming has always been the favourite sport in our family. So when I first heard of Michael Phelps, the world's most successful swimmer, it was natural that I became one of his followers. Still, it was difficult for me to imagine that once Michael used to be just a scrawny kid from Baltimore, the city I live in. His achievements in sport are amazing. He's been breaking world records since he was 10. It was super when at the age of 15 he qualified for the Summer Olympics in Sydney. Sadly enough, he did not win a medal then, but he came 5th in the toughest style, butterfly. The same year, he would break the world record as the youngest swimmer at the World Championship. What stamina and willpower. Phelps is unique. Look, he won nearly every event he entered at the Summer Olympics in Athens. Then in China, he competed in his 3rd Olympics in 2012 and became the winner again.